What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Erin and today I'm going to be doing a review on the TPH by Taraji P Henson new hairline at Target. I tried the Hustle & Co. Co-wash. I tried the Make It Rain conditioner. And then I also tried the Ride or Die Leave-In Detangling conditioner and the Smooth Attitude hair milk. Each of these products were like $10 or something like that. I got them at Target. I heard a lot about the line, so I wanted to give it a try. I heard some bad reviews, actually. So keep on watching to see my demo of these products, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Alright you guys, so I am fresh out of the shower. I just washed my hair. I used the Hustle & Co. Co-wash, and then I used the Make It Rain conditioner, which I left a very little amount in my hair. So I'm just going to detangle a little bit, and I'm going to start with the Ride or Die Detangling Leave-In Conditioner, which is a spray, and I'm not really a spray kind of girl, but we will see. So I don't know if it's just me, but the spray bottle didn't really work that great for me. I don't know if my hands were slippery or what, but I ended up having to kind of just spray it into my hand and apply it that way. And I noticed that it's not super liquidy. Like when I sprayed it into my hand, it was thicker than I was expecting from a spray, but just an observation. After a while, I felt like this leave-in conditioner wasn't doing much for me. I didn't really like the consistency of it, and I just felt like there was no amount of product that would have been enough to make me feel like it was a leave-in conditioner. So I just left it at that. So then I went in with the Smooth Attitude hair milk, which was very thin, but it had a lot of slip to it. So when I started putting it into my hair, I actually really liked it. So I just kind of raked this through my hair a couple of times. And then once I thought I was done, I realized that kind of underneath my hair was still a little bit frizzy, and I was not taking any chances, so I just went in again and added some more product after sectioning my hair a little bit. Alright, so after applying both of those products, I just left my hair to air dry for the rest of the day. Okay, so my hair is dry. It's been all day. It's really soft, like really soft. There's a little bit of frizz in this general area, but it is really soft. It's not sticky at all. It's not hard. It's not crunchy. It smells really good. I think the smell is the best part about these products. Like, it smells really good. Like, it smells really good. But I don't know. I would give these products, like, I think I'm gonna go with a 7 out of 10. Because, I don't know, I was really excited about them. Even though they had some bad reviews, I was really excited. But then as I was like using them, I didn't think they were gonna be great. But they ended up giving pretty good results. I mean, this is not bad. This is cute. I could do this. I would say the best 2 products were for sure the co-wash and the conditioner. So I would say I will definitely use all of these products like until they're gone, but I don't think I will buy them again. So that's that. The co-wash was really thick. Like, it was almost like, just felt like a conditioner. Like, I wanted to leave it in my hair, but I didn't because I followed the directions. The conditioner was amazing, and again, it just smells so good. Like, it just smells so good. I don't understand. The conditioner was really good. And then I tried this Detangling leave-in. Was good. Like, it did the job. It was conditioning and it helped me detangle my hair, but it's a spray and I don't like sprays. So I struggled with that. But it was still good. I definitely won't buy it again, but it was good. If you like sprays, this is for you. This one, the Smooth Attitude Hair Milk, was for sure a hair milk. It was kind of too thin for me, but I did like it. I will definitely finish this bottle, or tube, whatever you call it, but just not my favorite type of situation. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give these products a try. Maybe I should try some other ones, I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.